Does your lipstick leave ugly stains on your face masks or coffee mugs? Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to keep your lipstick put so it doesn't move, it doesn't budge, and it doesn't stain. And best of all, it'll last through an entire event or party without transferring. Whether you're hugging people, you're eating something, drinking something, it's not going to transfer. I can't wait to show you, so without further delay, let's begin. The first way you can seal your lips is simply by using a lip sealant, and one of my favorites is the lip coat. To demonstrate this, I'm going to be using Are You Surreal Matte Lipstick by Colourpop. Let's apply this as is first, and I'm going to link all of the products that I'm using today in the description box right below the video, so make sure to check that out. Normally, this is all I used to do, just apply the lipstick and attend an event, only to realize that it has transferred. Let's test this lipstick out to make sure it transfers before I use the lip coat. So here's a white woven paper, and as you can see, it does transfer. Let's touch this lipstick up before I use the lip coat. While it helps to lock your lips, I have to tell you that it does have a strong smell to it, at least for the first couple minutes after you apply it. And it's also very drying on the lips as soon as you apply it. But once it dries out, you'll be fine. You almost apply it like a lip gloss. It has a brush tip like a nail polish brush. And then you just let it dry for a couple minutes. Let's use the woven cloth again. I'm pressing it really hard on my lips. And as you can see, it doesn't stain even a bit. It doesn't transfer at all. A nice thing about lip coat is you can use it over any lipstick to seal it. There's also other sealants in the market, and I'm going to list some of my favorites in the description box below. Also, Refi launched a new lip kit which has a sealant, but you'll have to use the sealant along with their lip pencils. But unlike lip coat, it doesn't have any smell to it and it doesn't dry your lips. Next, here's the product that I absolutely love. It's the NYX Cosmetics Shine Loud Vegan High Shine Long Lasting Lipstick. This is the only lipstick that at least I know of in the market that has a shine and a glossy finish but does not transfer. It comes in 30 beautiful colors, and I'm using Cash Flow, which is a light dusty rose. I love this doe foot applicator. It's big and it's comfortable on the lips. It feels really soft and nice and flexible. And just like I apply any other liquid lipstick, I'm going to stain my lips with this. This is a 2-step technology. So you apply the lipstick, which is the base, and then you apply the shine, which is the gloss over this. Now you can apply the lipstick by itself, you don't have to apply the shine. And as you can see, it doesn't transfer one bit. Let's apply the gloss over it, and as you can see, the shine is absolutely stunning. I'm a very gloss kind of a person, but I would avoid wearing gloss, especially to events, because it would fade off over time, or it would transfer, or it would just come off and I had to keep touching it up. But not with this one. You wait for it to dry just for a couple minutes, and then let's use the paper again, and as you can see, it does not transfer and I still have the shine. This lipstick is unbelievably stunning. It's comfortable. It doesn't feel like plastic or tacky on the lips. I absolutely love this. A third way to do it, especially if you want a natural finish on your lips, is to use Wonder Skin. This is one of the most popular lip stain masks, so you apply it and peel it and it'll last the entire day. Step 1 is to apply the Wonder Blading Lip Mask. It's a beautiful color. It's almost like a duochrome blue. Obviously, this is not going to be the color of your lipstick. This is just a mask that you apply that you'll peel off later. Make sure to apply a good coat of this all over your lips. I personally like to apply 2 to 3 layers so the lips are completely covered and there's no natural skin or lips peeking through. Again, this is not going to be your final lip shade. Just hang in there and you'll see how beautiful the lip stain is going to be. Now for a softer color, let the lip mask sit on your lips for about 10 to 15 seconds and then you can peel it off. If you want a bolder color, wait for about 45 seconds. It's simple, keep it longer for a deeper stain. The second step is to use an activator. It comes in a small spray bottle. Now, all you need is very little. I just used too much on my lips. You don't need that much. As soon as I sprayed this, I experienced a mild tingling sensation on my lips, very mild, and it does have a very sweet taste to it. Wait for a couple seconds and you can peel it right off. It's so easy to peel it off, and that looks so satisfying. This comes in several different shades, and this is the lip stain that I personally like to use when I have an all-day meeting or I have something more official throughout the day, and I don't want a very dark lip stain, but I want my lips to look a little bit more pigmented than my actual lip color. So it just enhances the lip shade. I just keep it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and that's pretty much it. It just enhances my natural lip color and it stays put the entire day. Quick tip, if you want to remove any of the lipsticks that I showed you today, you can just massage some coconut oil or olive oil on your lips and wipe it off, and then you can rinse off your lips. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you did, and let me know which one was your favorite. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.